Hey guys, it's Shannon, and today I am here with my May Boxycharm unboxing. So I apologize that this is so late. It's honestly been sitting on my counter, and I thought I had filmed it, and then I looked in my videos that I needed to upload, and it turns out it wasn't in there, and I didn't film it. So I apologize. But before I start, I want to talk about this wig that I'm wearing. It is from the brand, hold on. Let me bring it up. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's Gciyyaen Cosmetics, and this is a straight brown root to gray ombre synthetic wig. In person, the roots look more black, but I think it's just the gray clashing with the brown to make it have that little bit of a black or darker effect. But I received this wig from the brand to try out and just give a little review for you guys. So it is synthetic, but it says on the website it's supposed to be like heat resistant for like low heat, but unfortunately I tried to curl it last night and it wouldn't curl for me. I don't know if it was just my curling wand or what. I had it at the lowest setting, which was 230, but that's okay. I'm honestly perfectly fine with just like no heat styling it, because sometimes heat can actually, even if they are human hair wigs, it can, like, once you kind of damage that hair, it's really hard to get it back, unlike your actual hair, where if you damage it, you can sometimes repair it and everything. But I really like it. It is super long. I have it pulled to the side right now in this cute little look. I just kind of took one of the pieces and wrapped it around to make it like a ponytail. But it is super, super long. I've not had hair this long in forever. I don't think my hair was ever actually this long, but it was pretty close. But I really, really like it. It's got a nice little crease right here, and I wore it so that the not crease, parting, sorry, was like more on the side, and then I wore it so it's like in the middle as well, like this. It's really easy for fitting on the head. It's very easy to put on and to wear. It is a little bit hot, but I think pretty much any wig is. But I think this would be fun for either every day, or if you just decide, hey, I want to do like something really out there and different for a day. This would be really, really fun. And it's not that expensive. It's only $13.29 on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description box down below. But thank you to the brand for letting me try this out. I've never had a wig, and honestly, I'm loving it. I absolutely love it. And I know they have a lot of other campaigns, and I think I'm going to try to sign up for some of them because I really like this. Some of them are more just all brown and everything, and are very similar to my natural color, so I might just get one of those for like days I just want to go back to being my true hair color. But yeah, so I'm going to wear this for most of the video, if not all of it, and then we're going to do this unboxing. So yeah, let's just get started. The box is a lot shorter and like longer lengthwise this month. I've not watched anyone else's Boxycharm unboxing, but I'm really excited to look and see what's in here. So when you first open it up, this is what you see at first. The first thing my eyes are drawn to is this very colorful Glam Glow box. This is the Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. I don't know where the paper is. And normally I get a paper. Did it fall out? Is it on my counter? Yes, it is. Hold on, I see it. I got it. So this month's theme is Make Waves, and this retails for $28, and it says it is a gentle, it says gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Ooh. It's got a vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea. Nice. I love the bottle. I like that they match the packaging and the actual bottle. This reminds me of like when it rains and you see like a puddle that has some like oil in it and it gets all like rainbow colors. I absolutely love the packaging. I'm obsessed. I've not really been a huge fan of the like Glam Glow products. Some of them I like, some I don't. But I'm excited to try this. I'm gonna start posting on like my Instagram stories and my Snapchat stories. All my all my social media is in the description box down below if you want to check it out. It's always linked. So I might do like a little story and stuff on these, like each of these products doing a small review if you guys want that. I'm excited. I'm really excited about that. Alright, next from Dose of Colors, we have the Liquid Matte Lipstick, and mine is in Berry Me. And it retails for $18. I've never tried one of the Dose of Colors lipsticks, or liquid lips, but my friend, is it Mickey that has them? I think my friend Mickey has them. One of my friends has them, I can't remember which, and they love them. Oh, it smells so good. It's a darker color. It's like a darker purple berry color, obviously. Like a pinky purple. I don't think I would wear this in summer, but I would probably wear it in fall. So I won't be using this right off, but I definitely will save it and try it out then. Alright, so then from Ciate London, we have the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow, and this retails for $22. And mine is in the color, I don't know. What color are you? Cupid. It doesn't say it on the packaging, it just says it on the box. Which I kind of hate when eyeshadows do that, like eyeshadows like this, because then I have to keep the packaging to know the name of it. It smells nice. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I'm obsessed. Like, honestly obsessed. It's like a champagne rose gold color. It's really, really pretty. What are you eating, Angel? My dog's eating a tissue. She's strange. And like, it's very smooth. You don't feel like the chunky glitter that's in it or anything. Oh no, you're moving to your bed? They had two beds and I had to put one under my table that I film on because they always sat around my feet and they were mad because I didn't have anything to lay in. So I had to put one of their beds in there. Next from Mellow, I have a brow definer, and this retails for $18. And it's in the color Chocolate. I'm not going to open this because I just opened a new brow mascara and I want to use it up before I open this because I don't want it to dry out. I don't know if, oh, I guess it's a pencil, so it wouldn't dry out. I guess I could open it. I can't. I took my acrylics off, and now I can't, I don't have nails. There we go. Maybe. No, I can't open it. Sorry. Next, which is the last thing, we have from Alamar Cosmetics, and it's the Color It Blush Trio. So the packaging looks very much like an ocean. I was going to say very like ocean, but that didn't make sense in my head. It looks kind of like a mix of the ocean and the galaxy. Like a blue galaxy. It's really pretty. Ooh. It's got a really nice mirror in here. I gotta cover it so you don't get blinded by my lights or anything. But these are the blushes. They're super pretty. They're in the color Castaway, Paragio, I think is how you say it, and Scorcher. I'll go ahead and swatch them for you. Ooh. Very creamy. Very, very nice. I'm excited to try these. I've been really into blushes lately, and for a while I didn't like wearing blush, but lately I've been like really into it. Too much stuff on my table. But yeah. Ooh, that eyeshadow dries down really nicely. And it was really fast too. But yeah, that's it that I got in my Boxycharm. Again, this wig is linked in the description as well as Boxycharm if you want to check that out. I think that's it for today's video. Let me know if you got your Boxycharm and what you thought of the products, if you've tried any of them. And I think that's it for today's video. I will see you in my Saturday's video. Bye guys.